Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization in here. This one we can do about factorization by ask. This one we can do about factorization by negative number 3. So we have s minus 2, s minus 2. So we can do another factorization. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over s minus 2, capital B over s minus 3. Later that we do common denominator. So capital A multiplied by s minus 3, capital B multiplied by s minus 2. And now we need to expand this one. So we have as plus bs minus 3a minus 2b. Now we need to arrange based on the term of s. So we have s and s. We can do another factorization. Now, if we look carefully, we just have coefficient that's about the s. This one you got about number 1. But we don't have s, so that means a plus b equal to number 0, negative 3a, negative 2b equals to number 1 in here. So we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solution of a and b. That should be about a equals to negative number 1, b equals to number 1. So we put the value in here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.